Hey everyone, if you accidentally deleted files in Dropbox in 2026, like documents, photos, or videos, don't worry. I'll show you how to recover deleted files in Dropbox step by step. First, open Dropbox and log into your account on your computer or mobile. Make sure you're using the correct account. Next, go to the Deleted Files section inside Dropbox. I mean, this is where all removed files are temporarily stored. Now find the file you want to recover. You can scroll or use the search option. After that, select the file and click Restore. This brings your file back to its original location instantly. Next, if your file was edited, check version history. This allows you to restore older versions of the same file. Now check shared folders if the file was part of a team. Shared files can also be recovered easily. After that, you can also use the Dropbox web version for more recovery options. Sometimes it works better there. Finally, remember, Dropbox has a limited recovery time. Older deleted files may not be recoverable anymore. So yeah, that's how you recover deleted files in Dropbox easily in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you should be able to restore your important files quickly. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more beginner tech tutorials.